So, how I think in English. This is the topic today, and I'm going to describe with you guys. So, this is the challenge for everyone and everywhere. If we are ready for thinking English, just like we know every step how how we used to practice at Hindi, our mother tongue. This is the also certain way we will have to realize we are it's our tendency. We know about our environment, about our era, so we understand we will have to realize how can we define, how can we uh, access, how can we pen out this vocabulary, that sentence, these ideas, that ideas. So if we are ready for different something in our life, so this is the appropriate method for learn new something, because we do every single day any challenge we complete in our life in since morning time evening time, we will have to consistent with English. If we are ready for during the speaking, during the conversation with others, we can make also some friends online offline, it doesn't matter. We will have to realize if we have this relaxation and these ideas, various type of expectation we would like to complete in this life, in this era, so we need to only think our English. This is the perfect way we can evaluate in ourselves. We can create all these activity. This is the perfect idea for me as well as everyone and everywhere. We apply in our daily routine here and there. If we know, keep going, we try every single day, all moment, so definitely it would be better for us and for uh, all people. They realize in their comfort zone. Every people and all student, they would like to do comfort zone. They don't want to do practice, they don't want to do try in their daily routine in their life. So maybe it's also another reason. If we have become against on those situations, so ultimately and definitely it's certain way and deliberately undeliberately we will be a success. And we must need to think in English all. We do any work, and during the this work we must realize, we must be understand these circumstances, how can we observation, and how can we pen out this vocab. There are so many vocab, any verb we have learned in our past day as well as our present, so then we will be understand, we will be able to make this type of uh, observation in our life. So there are, if we are determined person, we know each and every step, how can we define, how can we um, maintain this creativity, this constantly we do any work with certain way, with certain ideas. So definitely it would be better for everywhere and everything. We want to do obtain this aim, this purpose, so definitely and undeliberately we are ready for doing different something in our life, in our this era, because there are so many advantages and disadvantages. We are able to understand all these situation, that creativity. So all people they live around us, we must realize we must be thinking only English. All do all activity every single day, all moment, and everywhere we must be realize, we must be explain that word in English, at English only. So this is the also perfect way, and this is the perfection for learn new something, because we are ready, we can uh, our model test our mind, our intelligence. Most of the time we are ready for learn anything, uh, anywhere we do our mind, we keep our mind. So next time our mind will be habitual. So we will have to translate first, and after few days, after some time, it will be cultivated any crops. So just like this is the also based on this English, this creativity, and we can our observation, and we evaluate in ourselves. Most of the time how all people we are listening them, and we are seeing towards on them. So and until unless we are ready for any situation, any challenge in our life, challenge, it is the also appropriate key, it is the also uh, best key of success. We all the time we need to think in English. So definitely it would be better for our present as well as our whole life, because we learn anywhere. Many of them, they people, they live around us, they would like to do any comment in our daily life, any negative comment as well as positive comment. So we are listening those type of people, so our mind will be go away towards on them. So we must be ready, we must be hopeful. We, if we are optimistic person, so then we will be able to face any challenge, any problems of whole our life. So this is the perfect way. We must not be pessimistic person, we must realize our willpower as well as our creativity, our observation most of the time, because our so this is the perfect way for learn anywhere. So time to time we are speaking with someone at our, in our mother tongue, so we create all these environment. So thank you guys. Don't like, share and subscribe my channel.